You're killing your car. You're killing your subs. Let's go take a look at what you did on the outside. Look at this. It's coming apart. His whole vehicle. Tell me what you got in this thing.
It's 12 Nightshade V315s and 4 NS2s and 4 black case JY80s. And a bunch of CS on theirs. No, that's the smallest we can make the baffle to fit 6 on each one of them too. They're just tight. I can play a high note, but I don't think you want it. It's doing really good.
You had some, dude, hey, this flew up like several, like 2 feet. It went, whoo, just exploding. Holy. Oh my God, you guys. It looks like some crazy destruction is going on here. This is just the result of a sound system. What the F?
My name's Logan. I get a Singer 240, 4 Mat 6.5s, 2 Northstar 170 foots, 8 Flex Audio 12s, and a Terrams HD 15K.
And you're happy with how it sounds?
Yeah, next time you see it, it'll be walled. It's time for a 6 order.
There you go. Now that's f***ing awesome, guys. A 15,000 watt amplifier on these subs, terrorizing the joint. You're killing your car, you're killing your subs. Let's go take a look at what you did on the outside. Look at this. It's coming apart, this whole vehicle. Hey everyone, hope you're having a fun time today enjoying the video. Just wanted to send a huge big high five to our brand new sponsors, DollarShaveClub.com. Evidently, the good old beard here has made a big enough impression to hook all my friends on YouTube up today. That's right, they offered me a gig, I tried the razors, and it's a no-brainer for me. Being a person who's pretty much always hated the hassle of buying drugstore razor blades, especially those twin duos or triplets that always make your face just pour out blood like the thin red line, whew. Night and day difference here with the DSC, no more bloody messes. The $5 starter kit actually comes with some surprisingly high quality stuff, including 4 razors which have 6 blades and a good amount of weight, a tube of shave butter, body cleanser, and 3 one-wipe Charlies. Let's not ask how they came up with that one, huh? So, since this stupid beard gets comments all the time, hopefully having the Dollar Shave Club in our corner will help her keep her looking nice and snazzy, well, at least on the sides. So if you're interested in receiving your own shave kit, be sure to visit our affiliated link at dollarshaveclub.com/EXO. For a limited time, the full starter package is only $5. And since this is our very first participation like this, you guys' support really means a lot, and any participation is just a cherry on top. So with all that said, thank you for listening to this, and let's go ahead and resume the video by jamming out with some more bass demos from TDH 2016. Thanks for watching, guys. DC level 5. Level 5s.
Yeah, and that's down 1 amp. We burned that one early. So right now, what's yours by about 3K?
Well, still not bad, man. What,
yeah.
So you're gonna get it repaired to get another one in there? Or?
Yep, we're gonna repair it. We're gonna try to have it ready by slam.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, I have my lizard inside there.
Your lizard?
Yes, I have a lizard with me.
Your lizard?
Can you go grab my lizard out for me?
Nah, I was like, I thought, what is that, new slang or something?
Oh, no.
Is it a real thing?
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah, David. In the front seat.
But we still in this.
not bother the lizard. It does not bother you.
That's awesome. What's his name?
ISIS.
Isis. He's beautiful.
Yes, an Argentina tiger.
My sister has a spotted something.
Spotted gecko.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. Hey, buddy. Your tongue's huge. Damn.
Yeah, bass
The bass lizard. That's it. I really appreciate the demo, my man.
Thank you, sir.
Hanging out here at TDH 2016 with our Basshead lizard friends. Another ending to a perfect trifecta of demos. A great example of just how large my video collection is. We started the day out jamming with Bobby Wright and getting a demo of his 1215s. Man, that thing was nuts. Then we hop back to 2017 for a solid slam fesh session with Fletcher's Honda Pilot. Yeah, that was basically giving up on life, huh? Then we turned the clock back even more to 2016 for David Bradley's Reptilian 4th Order. So that'll do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget about our awesome new partnership with Dollar Shave Club. Crap, if they're cool enough to work with a random dude like me, I think they'll be pretty cool to work with too. So thanks for joining the journey, and until next time, this is EXO signing out.